Hello, and welcome to the UMA Virtual Library. What is the Virtual Library? Well, it's a UMA student's best choice to search for credible, reliable, and easy-to-cite information. To access the Virtual Library, start by logging into the Puma Den. Then click on the Course Room button at the top of the page. Here, you will find the library tile that will take you to the library. Once you arrive at the library, type your search terms into the box. Remember, when searching the library, you want to use keywords, not full sentences or questions. Using keywords will help you find better results faster. When you access the results page, use the navigation bar on the top of the page to change the type of resource, such as books, magazines, videos, or journal articles. You can use the filters on the right side of the page to adjust the date, subjects, document type, and more. Always make sure the full text documents box is checked for best results. Don't forget to check out some of the tools. The Topic Finder is great for helping you refine your search or to help you determine your research topic. When you find an article you want to read, click on the title. Here, you can not only read the article, but also listen to it, change the font, print, download, email, and more. Citing resources correctly is an academic requirement at UMA. Using the library will make APA formatting a breeze. Once you have found an article you would like to use, click the Cite button at the top of the page. Then choose APA from the drop-down list. Here, you will find the appropriate citation in APA format ready for you to use in your discussion, assignment, or other coursework. There is a lot to explore at the UMA Virtual Library. What will you discover? Don't forget, if you have any questions on using the library or doing research, you can contact the UMA librarian at 877-295-5078 or ask the librarian at ultimatemedical.edu. Happy reading!